Welcome to W Ultimate, complete WhatsApp automation solution. So today we are going to talk about how to set up this account. So you just need to go to this wultimate.in. I will be paste in the description. Okay. So if you are first time visit on this website, you need to sign up this. So go to the sign up and fill out all your details, your username, for example Sunny admin, your email, your password, you need to add one more time to confirm the password, and you need to select your country code. For if you are in India, you need to select the Asia Kolkata, accept the terms and conditions and go to the login page. After registration you can log in here. With the same detail, if you want to keep login with the remember, you can just simply select this checkbox. So first time you are on this screen, then automatic the free version will be activated for your number. This is the dashboard. You can see all the details here. Total message sent, currently it is all 0 because you first time register yourself. See you in the next one.